There are many memorable incidences that are ingrained in our minds as a team and as individuals, but there's one that I really wanted to share with you. This was on a day that we had gone to a river to do the shooting for Poem in Action, where the literature was to be translated into English and then translated into movement. The Vatavaran, the environment was beautiful, but when we reached the river, we realized the river needed a little bit of attention. It was crying for attention. And we saw that there were many pieces of plastic here and there and everywhere. And that made us as a team very sad about the whole situation, and it sort of encouraged us to do something about it. So what we did is, instead of shooting that day, we just all pulled up our trousers up and we tied up our scarves and we wore gloves and we delved into cleaning the river. And for a few kilometers, we cleaned the river. And when we see our reflection, the thought of actually giving something back to the nature was very satisfying and very alluring for those who were watching us. Now, we are all people who are not based and in this country, for that matter, or people who are not in the state. But local people, when they saw us, they got so encouraged. They said, in their own language, they came and joined us. They spoke with us. We had some conversations with them, and everybody joined in to clean. So sometimes it's important to do what you don't like seeing and to take the first step, which is a sure step forward.